So for today's vlog is we're gonna unbox this package from Amazon. So it's sent by Amazon, sent by a follower. So I hope you enjoy with this unboxing because I'm too excited. It's a kind of surprise for me what's inside because I did not know what's inside. So let's get started. Hi everyone, so today's video is I'm on the way to salon. So hi, so blinker left, drive, let's go.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.
So this is not a sponsored video. Let's unbox this surprise gift. So I'm expecting for a lot of package. Wow, a lot. From a friend. So this is the first package for now, but he sent already a lot. But this one is I did not know what's in here because there's so much stuff that he sent from for my vlog that I'm gonna use for my vlog, like shoes, jewelries, and then my stuff, personal stuff. So this one is, oh my gosh, guess? Oh my gosh! It's a guess. Guess? Oh my, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait up, wait up. This is really a surprise. I do not know what is this. Oh my god. Los Angeles. I don't know. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, Lord. There's a brand, but I did not know what's inside. Yes, Los Angeles. Oh, okay. Take it easy, girl. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it's a shoes. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh wow, this is so early. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, napashay ka ng style. Oh my god, thank you so much. I know who sent this one. I'm gonna fit this one also since I'm wearing black, so we'll see. We're gonna do it in the bed. But first is I'm gonna pull this out, the box, the carton. So this is the shoes. Oh my god, so expensive. Oh my god, really? Oh my gosh, you're so bad. You sent me this one? Really? It's too expensive. This is real gold. Real gold. Oh my gosh. So much thankfulness. Oh my gosh. Thank you for my driving videos. And then oh my gosh. So let's gonna fit this first before we're gonna go on for the other shoes. I think this is also shoes, so but let's hold on that. So I'm gonna step in here in the bed. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god, this is match because I have a guest bag. I bought it for 5,400 in SM Color. Let's fit the shoes and this guest bag together. We ordered this late and it arrives early. So where's the rest? Complaining. So here it is, guys. Again, so if you wanna help me out, just message me to Chris Vlog Facebook page. And then okay, my god, let's proceed. Let's proceed. So I'm too excited. Again, another brand. What brand is this? Without brand is okay for me. So let's fit these shoes.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
There it is. So
let's try the other one. Let's throw it away. I cannot find my other house shoes, so this one, oh my god. This one, oh my god, so beautiful.
I have my two dogs here with me. So let's try the walking. Put it aside. And so now let's continue the fitting of the shoes. So, oh my god, G. Adams. He's so expensive. You're so expensive. So, okay, I'm gonna open this one and I didn't know. Oh my gosh. So, oh my gosh. It arrived so early, dear. This is it. When I make pictures later on. This is it. So beautiful, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. So, everyone out there, if you want to help me out for this driving shoes, so don't be shy to message me. So let's gonna fit this on. So we're gonna fit this one. So it's a surprise shoes. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's a here's the shoes. And 3 inches. So I look like very tall. And later on, I'm gonna make pictures for this one. So this is on the beautiful anklet. Like an anklet from Amazon. And I'm looking forward for that because it's oh my gosh. So this is it. So I have to walk for these shoes. Oh my god, I'm so tall. If you want to donate or help me out with my shoes, don't be shy to tell me or just comment down below or message me to my Facebook page, First of Love. So my size is 5.5 inch. So I'll just put it down below. And then also, if we want to send some cash, I put also my PayPal account down below. So any amount would help me for my gas and of course for my driving. Only if you want. So that would be all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video of us unboxing video. And well, I'm so happy and thankful to all of you guys who are watching my videos and supporting my channel, and I can assure that I will keep on uploading. And then that will be all, and see you next vlog. Bye.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.